Would you look at this? The Great Hall is not ready for the feast this afternoon. I've been rushed off my feet in the kitchens. It's so hot and busy down there, I've come up for some air. I am the Queen's chief cook. It's my role to plan and organise all the meals that the Queen eats with the help of my staff. And I have a large kitchen staff, as befits a Queen. Now, the Queen doesn't always eat here, only on special occasions, or if she has important visitors. But when she does, what an occasion it is. At the top of the hall will be the Queen's table, the top table. It will be bedecked with crisp tablecloths and gleaming silver. And of course, more importantly, we'll be serving all sorts of foods and drinks in order to show our guests how magnificent the Queen and her court is. Now, as it is a meat day, my kitchen has been preparing all sorts of meat dishes. We will have venison pasties, perfect for a special occasion. These will be served along with rabbits from the Warren in Dunbar and beautiful dishes of swan and peacock, along with mutton and beef and plenty of calf's foot jelly. Now, all these dishes are meant for the Queen's table. The rest of the guests will be seated at long tables further down the hall. Now, I only cook for the Queen's table. Another cook, not with my genius, will be creating more common dishes for them. And if they're lucky, they may get to taste some of my leftovers. Now, you used up most of my time. Bye-bye. Off you go.